Hey, this is Thomas, the founder of Fuzzy Pipe. Thank you so much for buying the pipe cleaner DIY kits from us. A bit about me, I was laid off earlier this year, felt very lost and depressed, and moved back to my parents' place, as you can see. And I tried everything to get out of my own head. None of them worked, but somehow I found pipe cleaner crafts. This hands-on crafting experience was not only fun, but also had a meditative effect on me that I gradually stopped having racing thoughts and self-doubt. So I started this business with the intention to introduce this fascinating craft to more people and help those who are in tough mental states. So thank you so much for your support. And without further ado, let's get started. This is a tutorial for the Christmas Puppy DIY kit. Here's everything you have in the kit. 1 caramel or cream, super thick premium fuzzy pipe cleaner that's about 47 inches long. A set of eyes and nose, a couple regular premium pipe cleaners, and a couple other accessories. The thick pipe cleaner is very versatile, so you can always rewind or restart. We've also put extra regular pipe cleaners for each color in the kit, so don't worry about messing up. You should have more than enough pipe cleaners to work with. We've also put a free glue gun and a couple glue sticks, so feel free to plug it in now. Just be careful not to touch the tip or the hot glue directly. To start, we'll first make the head of the puppy. So you want to start with either end and bend the pipe cleaner at about the 4 to 5 inch mark. Wrap it around your index finger twice to make 2 loops together, then twist at the end to tighten it up. Now grab the other end of the pipe cleaner, put it through the 2 loops you just made, pull it through, and leave about 1 to 2 inches at the top. Twist it around to tighten it up, and that will be the first ear of your puppy. Now wrap the pipe cleaner back up, pull it through the loops again to make the second ear, and remember to twist it to tighten it up. Now you have the super basic shape of the puppy's head. Feel free to make some adjustments. Now we're gonna wrap the pipe cleaner to the back of the puppy's head. Pull it through the 2 loops for the 3rd time. Pull it all the way through. Wrap it around from the other side. And put the pipe cleaner through the loops for the 4th time. We're essentially making the forehead of the puppy. Now, identify the gap between the 2 initial loops you made earlier. We're gonna wrap the pipe cleaner back up, put the pipe cleaner through the gap of the 2 loops, and pull it all the way to secure it. Now repeat the process again, just on the other side of the gap. Pull it all the way through to tighten it up. Feel free to make some adjustments. Now we're gonna make the body of the puppy. So wrap the longer end of the pipe cleaner around the shorter end and start making the arms and the legs of the puppy. We essentially bend it 4 times and wrap it around to secure all the limbs. So at this point, you have the arms and the legs and the little tail at the end. Now all you need to do is to wrap the rest of the pipe cleaner around the body to connect everything together, but also to make a tiny belly for the puppy. Once you've used all the pipe cleaners, you can now start adjusting the posture and the limbs of the puppy to either make it sit up, lay down, or whatever style you prefer. At this point, you should have a very basic version of your puppy. Now use a brush or the back of your pen or your finger or anything that's available to you and try to straighten out the fur of the puppy. You can also use a scissor to give the puppy a haircut to turn it into your desired shape. Once you're satisfied with the basic shape, we're now gonna start putting accessories, the eyes and nose, onto the puppy. To make a red and green Christmas necklace for the puppy, we grab a green pipe and a red pipe and twist them really tight together. Wrap it around the puppy's neck to your desired length. Cut out the extra pipe, put it onto the puppy's neck, and twist them around to secure it. To make the antler of the puppy, we cut the brown pipe into 2 pieces and start shaping the antler. Feel free to shape it based on your personal preference. Just remember to make a base at the end of the antler. That's where we will use the hot glue to attach the antler to the head of the puppy. Make 2 of those antlers. Find a good spot on the puppy's head. Either use hot glue or stick the antlers into the gap of the puppy's head. We will now put the eyes and the nose onto the puppy. For demonstration purposes, I didn't use hot glue in this case, but once you figure out exactly where you want to put the eyes and the nose, mark it and use hot glue to attach the eyes and the nose to the head of the puppy securely. One final accessory for the puppy is the green and the red ball. Now, feel free to use a scissor to cut the balls into your desired size. Then use the hot glue to put them on the desired spot of your puppy. Awesome! Hope you have fun and walked away with a cute handmade craft. Feel free to take a picture or video of your craft and tag us at Fuzzy Pipe on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. We're giving away free DIY kits for every single tag, and we will release more creative models to make in the coming weeks. So please follow us to get a sneak peek and use the code RETURN10 for 10% off at fuzzypipe.com. Thank you.